Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A51. So there are two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the power button and the volume down button. If you press these both buttons for the same time and hold it for 1 second, you will have a screenshot. After you will have here the preview and the opportunity to edit directly or to share it directly. So let me show you one more time. So just for short, the power button and the volume down button for the same time, and you will have a screenshot. And as I said, we can edit it directly if we tap here on the point for editing, and then we can here may crop a part of the screenshot if you want to have the Google bar here. And yeah, also we can also draw something inside if you go on the pen here. And yeah, after we can share it directly, maybe with WhatsApp and so on, or save it directly to our gallery. Let's save it. And yeah, now it's part of our gallery. And let me show you the other opportunity to take screenshots. It's by using the edge of your palm, swiping across the screen, and you will have a screenshot as well. So one more time, the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen, and you will have a screenshot as well. In this feature you have to enable sometimes, so let me show you where you can do that. So here at the settings, at the corner, and then we need here the point advanced features, and then we need here the point motion and gestures. And this point here, palm swipe to capture, has to be enabled. So it has to be blue. Yeah, and where to find the screenshots after, of course, at the gallery. And yeah, here they are. As you can see, I had many tries already. And at the category albums here, it has its own folder named screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. If you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe my channel. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.